Welcome to Easy Automate, your most favorite app for automate everything on Monday.com. Always make sure if you're running a large automation for more than 10 items at once in a private or shareable board, the app installer or the user who authorized the app must be a member of that board. This will keep everything running smoothly. Now let's dive in and explore how the app works and how to make the most of its powerful features. You can get a clear overview of your current plan, monthly usage, and subscription period. If you hit your usage limit, the app installer will receive an email notification, and users will be alerted through notifications. Easily view all available features in the app. A simple click on any feature will navigate you to its specific section. When you see a feature section like this, installing the corresponding integration is all that's needed to start using the feature seamlessly. Some features may require additional setup before you can use their integrations. If you see a feature section with such requirements, make sure to complete the necessary configuration. Need help with additional setup? Simply head to the feature section and click Learn More to access its guide for step-by-step instructions. Finally, to set up automations, click Integrate, search for Easy Automate, and explore all available features. Choose the desired feature to see all its automations. How awesome is that? Still stuck? Don't worry, schedule a demo with us, and we'll guide you to automate the right integration to meet your needs. Thank you for choosing Easy Automate. Stay tuned for exciting features and updates coming your way.